Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the tutorial how to change your profile picture on your Zoom account. So the first thing you have to do is open your Zoom application, and here is the look. Make sure that you understand and you know where exactly what section that you are in now. So whenever you open the Zoom application, sometimes you will be in the meeting section, but then if you are in the meeting section, make sure that you are jump into the more. And now you just need to go click the account of you, and after that you just need to jump into the profile photo. You just need to click it, and here is the look. You just need to go click this part, and you will be given access to access the camera, or you can also select from the photo album. If you already prepared the photo, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to choose the picture that you want to use for the Zoom meeting. For example, if you want to use this, you just need to go click it, and after that you can also adjusting the positions of the picture, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And now the profile picture of your Zoom account is already changed. So that's the way how to change the profile account of the profile photos of Zoom account. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment and enjoy more and more video from this channel.